Hey everyone, it's Eva. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. I will be decorating my January notes page. Now, I've been neglecting my planner for a bit, so I wanted to get back into using it functionally. So I wanted to start with my January notes section. Now, I didn't jot down any notes or have any memory keeping at all whatsoever for my January notes. So I figured I'm going to do a scrapbook sort of thing for my notes page for the past couple of months. And January is my daughter's birthday. She's a New Year's baby. So I was going to take a picture of her on her birthday drinking her birthday drink, which is a Starbucks Frappuccino. And I wanted a snowy vibe to it. Now, I live in Central California and we don't get snow at all whatsoever. So I figured that's as much snow as we're going to get, and it's going to go into my planner. So here I am just sizing down my picture, and I'm going to mat it on this navy blue cardstock. Now, everything I'm using today, I either purchased from Hobby Lobby or Michaels, and the snowflake paper is from a paper pad that I purchased last winter at Michaels, and it was a hot buy. So hopefully they'll sell it this season. So here I am just adjusting the picture. Now, I originally intended the picture to go in the middle or in the center, and I knew that I was going to have a circular pattern with the snowflakes around the picture. So there you see me marking I was going to do some hand stitching, or actually I did do some hand stitching. So there I am marking where the picture was going to be. Now, I did a totally bad job of hand stitching a circular pattern. So the picture essentially will end up going into the bottom half corner just so that I can hide the bad stitch job that I did. So there you see me showing you the words, stickers, and some other items that I'm going to be using. And again, I purchased the majority from Michaels and Hobby Lobby, except for the cardstock stickers and this ephemera here. I purchased at scrapbook.com. The ephemera I end up not using. I was going to use a script word, but I just essentially didn't use it. So I'm going to take my snowflakes. You have to be careful with these because I thought they were foil stickers, and when I was peeling one off, I lost a leg because they're a whole lot thinner. There's my star without it, without its leg. So they're more of a paper foil type. So if you do purchase these at Michaels, just be careful with them. So I'm going to sprinkle these all over and cover my bad stitching job that turned out into an egg shape and not a circular shape. And then I'm going to take those cardstock, they're a thicker cardboard type of sticker, and it's got a jewel in the middle, which are super pretty, and they have glitter all over them. So I just really love those. They are on a piece of foam, which I didn't mind too much. Normally I try and stay away from anything that adds bulk to the planner, but again, you only live once, so I'm I'm gonna go all out on this one. And it's celebrating my daughter, so why not? Now this picture, I absolutely love of her. She thinks she's not photogenic, so she hates being in pictures. She hates taking pictures. So I kind of caught her off guard with this picture, and I just absolutely love her smile. So I'm taking this Adore from the paper pad, and I know it's from Simple Stories. I'm sorry that I don't know exactly which one it is. I'll look for it and I'll link it in the comments bar down below. I am going to use that heart script there. I just love the lettering of this one. So that will be part of my title. I decided to name this Heart This Girl. So I will be using these script stickers as well that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Now, they don't fit in the section that I originally placed them, so I'll have to pull them back up and space them out. Now the snowflakes, I did realize at the bottom there, that white one, I put it a little towards the bottom. So essentially I will be removing it and putting it above. And I'll just swap two of those snowflakes just so that I can get more of a circular pattern that I was going for. And this is pretty much it. I'm just gonna put down the last sticker, and I have finalized my January notes. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Thank you.